If you've got a Sony Bravia TV, chances are there's a whole layer of settings you've never touched. And I'm not talking about picture adjustments. I'm talking about the kind of settings that actually change how you use your TV every single day. Let's get into it. Start by looking underneath your TV. There's a good chance you'll find a small physical switch for the built-in Google Assistant microphone. If you're not using hands-free Google Assistant, go ahead and flip it off. And because it's an actual hardware switch, you're not just trusting a software toggle to keep that mic disabled. Now head into your settings menu, because there's a lot going on in there. If your home screen feels cluttered with recommendations you never asked for, look for something called App-Only Mode. You'll find it under Settings, then Accounts and Sign In, then Your Account. Turn it on and suddenly your apps take center stage instead of being buried under suggestions. Just know there's a trade-off. You'll lose access to some of those Google TV recommendations and library features. But if you mainly live in Netflix, YouTube, or Prime Video, it's a clean way to skip the noise. While you're in there, it's worth swinging by the privacy settings too. First, take a look at location services. Your TV can actually estimate where it's physically located, and if that's not something you need, you can switch it off for a little more control over your data. Right next to it, you'll find Usage and Diagnostics. This is the setting that sends information about how you use your TV back to Google. Turning it off won't change how your apps run, but it does put more of that privacy decision back in your hands. Here's one that's genuinely useful. On supported Sony models, you can actually adjust picture settings for one specific app at a time. So let's say Prime Video always looks a little too dark compared to everything else. You can go in and tweak the brightness, color, or clarity just for that app, without touching the settings you rely on everywhere else. Now, if you're the kind of person who likes to throw on music or a podcast and doesn't need the screen blasting light across the room, look for a setting called Picture Off. It kills the display but keeps the audio playing. And the second you want the picture back, one button on the remote brings it right back. If you've got one of the newer Bravia models, there's also something called Dual Audio. It lets sound come out of your TV or connected speakers while someone else listens through Bluetooth headphones at the same time. So one person can watch with the volume up while another listens privately. It really depends on your specific model and setup, but if you've got a newer Bravia, it's worth checking. And finally, this one's a bit of an Easter egg. Head into Settings, then System, then About, and find Android TV OS Build. Tap it 7 times and you'll get a little message letting you know you're officially a developer now. Go back into System Settings, and you'll see a brand new menu called Developer Options. There's some genuinely advanced stuff in there, including controls over background processes. Just tread carefully. This menu is built for actual developers. So unless you know exactly what a setting does, it's probably best left alone. And that's 8 features hiding inside your Sony Bravia that most people never find. Some are simple privacy wins, some are just quality of life upgrades, but together, they can honestly change the way you use your TV.